Hey guys, welcome back to the next level of gaming and productivity with the DAREU A104 Pro mechanical keyboard and the A95 Pro magnesium alloy gaming mouse. Designed for performance, durability, and style, these devices are the ultimate tools for enthusiasts, professionals, and gamers alike. Meet the A04 Pro, the best full-size mechanical keyboard you'll ever need. This 104 key powerhouse is engineered for peak performance, ensuring every stroke is stable, precise, and satisfying, thanks to its gasket mount design. Take customization to new heights with RGB backlighting that delivers immersive, vibrant effects perfectly tailored to your style. The TFT color screen is not just for looks, it interacts with you, offering real-time feedback and personalization. Plus, the Hotswap capability means you can swap out switches effortlessly, making it easy to create your own perfect typing experience. Pair your keyboard with the ultimate gaming mouse, the A95 Pro. Crafted with premium magnesium alloy, this mouse is built to last while maintaining a sleek, modern design. Another great feature is that these mouse comes with these non-grip mats that you can attach to the right and left click buttons on the side just so that you can hold it better. And they also give the mouse a cooler look to it. Weighing just 54 to 55 grams, the A950 Pro offers an ultra lightweight ergonomic design, ensuring effortless handling even during extended sessions. I also like how it has the skeleton design to it that you can see all the inner workings of. Experience lightning fast responsiveness with the Khalil GM 8.0 Black Mamba switch and the 3395 high performance optical sensor. Combine that with a 4K wireless polling rate, and you got a device ready for even the most competitive gaming scenarios. With tri-mode connectivity, seamlessly switch between USB 2.4G and Bluetooth for unparalleled versatility and convenience. The DAREU A104 Pro mechanical keyboard and A95 Pro gaming mouse are designed to elevate your setup. With cutting-edge technology, unbeatable performance, and customizable features, these devices deliver everything you need for work or play. Upgrade your gaming and productivity experience today. Check the link below to get yours now. Don't forget to hit the like, comment, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.